What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Polygon as well as Ethereum. Currently, we're sitting at $1.35. We're down about 9% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 8.86 billion. 24-hour volume is 974 million. So let's hop straight into it, guys. So we'll start here on the 4-hour time frame. So we found a little bit of support on the EMAs here, but you can see we fell through. Now we do have that major level of support at $1.30. If we look here on the hourly chart, we did have our bearish divergence. You can see we created high, and we just created a slightly lower high on the RSI. And you can see we're on our way back down to about 30. Now, once we start trending towards oversold, we'll most likely see a bounce, whether it's off $1.30 or $1.20. This is a very strong level of support here at $1.30. So I would expect us to find a little bit of support and possibly see a bounce from this level. If we look at Matic here on the daily, we have lost the EMAs once again, and it looks like our bearish divergence, as you can see here, we're rolling over. We're creating higher highs, lower highs on the RSI, and it looks like our divergence here is fully playing out. So do keep an eye on $1.30. Could definitely see a bounce from that level. We have that strong level, of course, back down at $1.20 here. If we quickly look at Ethereum, you can see here on the 4-hour chart, we have lost the EMAs as well. Now we are back testing our neckline. You can see this double bottom here, down at about 3447. If that level of support is lost, do target 3317, previous swing high. It was also a major level of support. If we look at Ethereum on the hourly, there was also a bearish divergence. We were creating higher highs, and we're creating a lower high in the RSI. And you can see we're trending towards oversold. You can see right here, we bounced off about 30. Here we bounced off about 26 on the RSI. So always look at your RSI on your 1-hour chart, and it can indicate when you're going to see a bounce back to the upside. So if we do lose this level of support, about 3447, do target that 3317 level of support. It was quite a strong level of support. You see support in this area and previous level of resistance as well. And that's most likely where we'll see a bounce off one of these levels of support, get back above the EMAs. If we look at Ethereum here on the daily, you can see here on the daily, we are just barely holding the 20 EMA. So if that support is lost and we find support at 3317, we'll be finding support here on the 55. We are still having our bearish divergence. Price was rising, the RSI was falling. So if we can't come up and break this high, that's when we could see that roll over and that continuation to the downside here. Hey guys, quick shout out to today's video sponsor, Crypto.com. It's the world's fastest crypto growing app, my favorite app for investing. They have their incredible Visa cards where you can earn free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, as well as cashback in Crow, which is the native coin of Crypto.com. They also have Crypto Earn, where you can earn awesome interest, staking your coins, Bitcoin 6.5%, USDT Tether 12%, Crypto.com 6%, Ethereum 6.5%, and you receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. And you can sign up in the top of the comment sections. All right, guys. So we'll finish off the video here with Matic. So do anticipate we find some support here at $1.30. If we fail to bounce from that level, then of course $1.20 or the previous resistance of this descending triangle could give us a good opportunity to bounce back to the upside as well. And your levels of resistance for Matic, we still have that technical target at $1.54 and $1.56, which is the golden ratio. All right, guys, shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members, posting chart patterns, posting statistics, the price of a coffee, great way to stay ahead of the game. Guys, I trade Matic on Bybit. If you'd like to learn to trade with leverage, check out my full link tutorial. You receive up to $600 in bonuses. Phoenix as well, great for spot trading, leverage trading, up to $2,000 in bonuses. All right, guys, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.